We have arrived, guys. Let's go inside and eat. Hey, you're watching Crisscross Adventures. We call ourselves that because we crisscross all over the state of Florida. You never know where we're gonna pop up or what we're gonna cover. So guys, come join us on the adventure, and hey, let's get to the video. Hey guys, so this is where you park, and I'm gonna show you a picture and give you a fact about blueberries. Alright, so you excited? It's your first time? I'm excited. Guys, let's go try this out. Alright guys, so we're walking in. Guys, here's the menu. Definitely pause it. Yeah, they also got pancakes, waffles. The coffee just came. Just got the fresh squeezed orange juice. So how's everything? Good. I got a bacon, egg, and cheese on toast. Got French toast. You got eggs and bacon, toast. Oh, thank you.
Anything else I can add for you?
No, that's all.
Awesome. You all enjoy.
Thanks. Got a blueberry muffin.
Excuse me.
Look at her hands.
You just top the coffee off.
Yeah, guys. Give you a review in the car. This I can do without. Everything's looking good. Guys, she just mentioned she's never seen blueberries that little. So she asked about the blueberry muffins, and they are real. Alright, so our blueberries came. We're gonna review them in the car. Alright guys, everything was 54 bucks. Here's the muffin. How is it? We'll tell you in the car. And guys, she did not want to finish it. We'll tell you about it in the car. Yeah, guys. Definitely get glass or something too. Alright guys, so we're leaving right now, man. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed, guys. Like, you know, the blueberry muffin wasn't that good. You know, like my coffee was cold. My egg sandwich and bacon and cheese didn't really taste good, dude. I'm not gonna lie. You know, and I'm not trashing the place. I'm just giving you my honest review. This is why we're doing this. I'm giving you my honest review of it, you know. We left the muffins there. What do you think? You already know, man. You already know.
She my blueberry pancake, and then I saw that there's little blueberries in there.
And she said they got them from the little blueberry farm, which, you know, okay. But, you know, it just wasn't that good, honestly. You know, I'm just being honest. Maybe it's the day we came. Maybe they got kitchen problems. I don't know, guys. I'm just being honest, man. You might want to skip this one. And don't forget, check out the playlist section because we cover all restaurants in Florida. Thank you for watching. We do appreciate it. This one's in the books. We're done. Hey guys, if you like the video you just seen, please hit the like and subscribe button and the bell to get notified when I drop videos. Definitely check out the playlist section. And hey, thanks for watching.